Hey, I'm Kelly with Waterfall Woodworking, and today I'm going to show you how to build this adorable teepee. For this project, you will need 4 1x2s, 3 3/4 inch dowels, a drill, and a 3/4 inch drill bit. I started by measuring about how tall I wanted the teepee to be, and then measured the length of where to cut my wood. I took all my pieces to my miter saw and began making my cuts. I cut 2 of the 1x2s at the same time to ensure they were even. I then gave everything a light sanding, making sure to smooth out the edges. Next, I marked where I wanted to drill the holes for the dowels. For the top of the teepee, I went with 4 inches in from the edge and marked the halfway point so it would be centered. Using my 3/4 inch drill bit, I drilled the holes in 2 1x2s at a time. It's easiest to do this step by clamping your wood to a table and having the part you are drilling hang over the edge. I repeated these steps for the bottom of the teepee, this time only drilling 3/4 of an inch in from the edge. And now it was time to put everything together. I started by putting a dowel into the top holes of 2 of the 1x2s, and you can see how easy the wood opens up to look like a tent. I then did the same thing with the other 1x2s at the other end of the dowel. And I put the other dowels in the bottom holes. After that, you have the frame of your teepee tent. Time for the fun part, fabric. I picked out this cute, colorful pattern since this is going to be in a classroom. I put the fabric over the tent to get measurements on how long it needed to be to fit around the dowels. I measured inside between the 1x2s to see how much width I needed. Then I cut the fabric to size. Make sure you have fabric scissors for this. I did not, and it took forever. I draped the fabric over the tent, pulling enough around the dowels to make it taut. I used a hot glue gun to glue the ends of the fabric to the inside of the fabric around the dowels. This was super easy, and if you ever want to switch out the fabric, all you'll have to do is cut it off. Lastly, I tied a string across the bottom of the tent at the maximum open width I chose. This will keep it from sliding open on hardwood floors, which also makes this tent extremely easy to fold up and put away. And there you have a super adorable teepee tent that was easy and cost-effective to make. This teepee tent is great for kids, dogs, or even adults. If you liked this project and want to see more fun DIY and woodworking videos, please make sure to subscribe to my channel down below. I'll see you in the next one.